Hi, back here again on the trail. So today I'm gonna see if I can try and use my stick stove again, my Ohuhu stick stove. It failed last time in my last video. I'm gonna try using pellets on it so it wouldn't light up. And today I'm gonna light up and cook up something, maybe some ramen noodles and some hot chocolate. Hopefully this time it's gonna work. All right, okay, so let's go. Wow, the river's a lot wider than normal. Oh, this is caving in right now. Away from that. That was, last time I came here, that was above water. Even the tree fell falling into the water. So this here, if you watch my last video, there was a landslide here, right? See all the trees up there? And I was testing my stove on this little branch here. There's a small island. The island's gone now. It's all underwater. Alright, so I'm gonna find another place. Duck over there. Little duck. Two ducks being taken by the current. So I think this is a good place to set up my stove and start doing some cooking. For those people that are new, this here is my Ohuhu wood gasifying stove, also known as a stick stove. So I'm going to put it together. So last time I tried, didn't really work out with the pellets. So somebody put in their comments that give me a little tip. They soak their pellets in lighter fluid, like barbecue lighter fluid. Put a little bit inside a jar and then let it soak. So that should burn a lot better than the first time. Got some ramen noodles. Gonna boil some of these today. Have a good steady flame. And waiting for my noodles to boil. But I can still already see the steam coming out. So I would say this time it's a success. Alright, time to eat. So now for the hot chocolate. Cheers. Not like home, but it will do. A little bit watery. By the way, it's early spring, but appearances are deceiving. There's no melted. But right now it's about probably plus 1 degree Celsius. It's feeling like -5. So it's almost like we're still in the winter. Okay guys, time to pack up. just heard like a beaver or some animal that jumped in the water. Couldn't see what it was. This would have been a nice place too. I missed this one. I could have set up there if it's not too soft. And there's a beaver on the other side of the bank. There's actually two. There's one over that side and one here. It's a tree that fell down. So I hope you like this this little test I did of the Ohuhu stick stove. This time I try using wood pellets, hardwood pellets on it, and I soaked them up in some lighter fluid, or you can use naphtha, you know, the white gas they use for your camping stoves. So put a little bit at the bottom, put your wood pellets inside a jar and just leave them there soaking. Not too much, right? Don't use too much fluid, or otherwise it's gonna be like, it's gonna blow up on you or something. And yeah, it works really good. I was able to make some noodles and heat up some hot water for hot chocolate. Everything went well. It's a nice little stove to have. Most times when you're camping, you can just use any wood readily available around you. If you happen to have like a isobutane stove, backpacking stove that most backpackers use, and you run out of gas, you can always use this as a backup stove. So yeah, I recommend it. It's a nice little stove. My test went well. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the little bell down below to get notified. So till next time, happy camping, hiking, and talk to you later. Bye.